Welcome in. So today, me and you are going to play along with Cavaliers Snareline. We're going to play the whole of their warm-up package. I've notated all of the parts out for you, so it'll be below on the screen. And I've also done some side lessons for anyone who doesn't quite understand what they're playing. You can go and click on those and learn it all for yourself. See if you can get all the way through. I'm sure I'll make the odd mistake, so apologies for that. Let's see if we can get to the end. Grab your sticks. Quick shout out to Alexander for recording and letting us use this video. Go check out his YouTube, give him a subscription. All right, so we're starting with 16 on a hand, all right? Fs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All the way back, forward to vertical. And release. Accents and taps now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So, ooh, and switch. And 1. And switch. Again. Threes version. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and switch. Still nice big accents. 1, 2, 3. Change. Ups and downs. So down, 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 up, 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 switch, down, 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 down. Okay, last time, it sticks in at the end. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so just threes, alright? Out on 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And just repeat. Okay, so they're going to start change to a bucks exercise now. So we're doing sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Soft on the little diddle. Okay, climax and heights. 6, 1, 2. Shifting threes, marking time. Again. Mr. Sticks in. Okay, speedo doubles. Nice and army. accents and taps. Another pattern, match the diddles. Someone's head's just gone. So change your heads. Oops. Change. The pattern, so full exercise. Okay, and finally, triplet rolls. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that, my friends, is that, right? So I missed in a few sticks in, that kind of thing. I'll tell you what I'll probably do is on the video, I'll probably write on the screen for you sticks in so you guys don't forget them like I did. As you can see, right, by the end of that, your hands are going to be feeling it a little bit. It's quick, right, but it's no flams or anything particularly in there at the moment. We're mostly just working accents, taps, and our diddles, right? It's really interesting to see because some of the lines this year are playing ridiculous amounts of warm-ups that are crazy and difficult and doing whole sets of like 20, 25 minutes, and Cavaliers are just keeping it simple and doing some basic stuff to get their hands going straight into show music. Be interesting to see if some of the other guys take up that next year or if they stick with their laws and carry on doing those long exercise books. So if you've enjoyed this, please let me know. It's a little bit different to anything I've done before. I know some of you guys are going to say like, oh, do Blue Devils, do Bluecoats. Right? Some of those would take me like 6 months probably to get all those exercises correct. So I'm still going to continue breaking down the exercises, but there's only certain lines that I'm going to choose that I'm going to go from start to end, all right? If you enjoyed it, give me a like. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you again in the next time.